Hi friends, welcome to Asad Construction Private Limited. We started new project. We have completed a civil work. Just showing you our building plan. This is balcony, 3 feet balcony. We are moving towards this is staircase and staircase backside lift. This is hall, come puja room. This is common bathroom, 6 by 9. This is master bedroom, 13 by 14, and this is washroom, attached washroom, and this is guest bedroom, 8 by 9, 8 by 13. This small puja room. We will construct in interior towards glass framing coming. This is kitchen, 9 by 13. We are moving towards upside second floor. In staircase land, this is staircase landing. We are in staircase landing. Lift was coming, 6 by 3. This is balcony of second floor. This is hall. This is one bedroom, 14 by 30, 14 by 10. It's attached bathroom and powder room, PWD room. This is spiral staircase towards first floor to second floor. Inside, this is master bedroom of second floor. This attached bathroom and PWD room. 6 by 9 bathroom. Four by 6 spiral staircase from inside towards like this is a hall. This is balcony, sorry. This is balcony of front side. This plot's size is 30 by 40. Northeast corner, 3 roads plot. 3 floors lift.